Well, I got the crank case cover, whatever you want to call it, off, and I took a few out because it felt like it threw a rod or something. It turned about halfway, then it stopped. And there's a bunch of ice in here. Hell, that's a piece of rubber. What the hell is that? Well, that's not good. Yeah. Probably, since I've got it off from this far, probably just gonna take that off and check the piston rings and all that good stuff. Shit. There's some of it. All the teeth look good. Even on those, the teeth look good. I'm not sure about the piston rings, but well, I'm gonna pause it and show you the piston rings. If I ever get that out, which I'm hoping to. I got that piece of junk off. Just one bolt that went down there. Just a governor. Well, that's about it.